everybody, it's S.E.T of S.E.T Images, and I'm back again with another street photography POV video. This time we're in South Florida at Fort Lauderdale Beach. I wanted to go out and do a little street photography, see how the scenery is looking, see exactly what's going on in the area of the beach, especially with coronavirus going on, see if anybody's doing any social distancing or anything like that. Mind if I take a picture?
Me?
Yeah. Can you palm the ball? Not really?
Not really.
You good, just as soon as you get it, tell me, and I'll take it there. You good, you good. That'll work. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
You know, sometimes I like to ask people if I can take the picture. Gives it a chance to interact with some people, get some good shots. Other times I just like to take candid shots of people in the moment and seeing exactly what's going on.
What up, man?
What's up, bro?
Cool.
You can't complain, man. Can't complain.
Alright. What y'all here doing?
Doing a little street photography.
Oh, man. You sure you ain't tricking no more?
You know, I don't do that no more.
Y'all boy.
All right, bro. Be easy.
All right.
I want to take this time to say thank you for all the people who have been supporting my channel, watching the videos, liking, leaving comments. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe so that you won't miss any of the channel's videos that'll be coming up soon. And if you haven't already, hit the like button, give this video some support, hit that bell notification so you won't miss out on anything that we will be putting out in the future. As I was walking along the beach, I saw a group of people that were doing some flips off of one of the palm trees. So I wanted to make sure that I try to get a chance to capture them. I see. Well, I got you on the tree going up. I got you while you were on the tree going up.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't get the back.
Oh, you want
You gonna do it again? I definitely.
Hay uno que me tiene de mi tono confiado.
All that matters is see you in the airport.
Okay. We got boom, boom.
Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. The last one.
and then you landing.
Go right there. Nice. What kind of camera is that?
Oh, this is a Lumix Panasonic
Can you
G85.
send that to me?
Well, you can take down my Instagram, and I can just
I don't have
email.
my phone. Do you have yours?
I have my I have a card on me.
Did you get any?